to excel in healthcare with compassion. This is the mission of Epic Multi-Speciality Hospital. This is the truly deserving the mission for this hospital because any surgery is really painful to patient as well as his relatives or her relatives. However, the CABG surgery successfully completed by Sri Anil Jain sir and our team of my father. We are totally satisfied with the facility available in this Epic Multi-Speciality Hospital, especially the humble staff, nurses, brothers, housekeeping, hospitalities. Total facility available in this premises is truly deserving the highly appreciation of any member. We totally agree that the multi-speciality hospital totally depend upon the hospitality as well as the best hygiene facility for any patient. And we totally recommend to any person, if you have any uncertain high severity kind of this disease, CABG, then please refer to this Epic Hospital. Thank you. Thank you.